back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today I am back with another wig from NAYASA on Amazon. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. But of course, they reached out to me and asked me to review this long ombre platinum blonde wavy synthetic wig. So I really do like her. I like her a little bit more than I expected. So if you are familiar with my wig reviews, I will be showing you guys the construction of this cap. Then I'll be giving you guys some details about this wig. And then of course, I will give you guys my final thoughts about this wig. So if you're interested in hearing about all of that, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 on the side and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and this wig is also a lace closure with the middle part. Now as y'all can see, the middle part is not as visible. I could have easily went in and plucked it a little bit more, but I decided to just go ahead and leave this wig the way it is. So this is how it's looking. It's really pretty, really gorgeous. I'm loving the color, and the color is loving me. So let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this is from NAYASA on Amazon. This is their long wavy synthetic wig. This is their ombre platinum blonde with the middle part, and it retails for $29.99. Now it does say that it's 24 inches. It says that the cap size is an average fit, which is 21 to 23 inches head circumference. And that is pretty much it. I didn't really brush this wig out. I just put it on and let the waves just, you know, fall. So it says that it doesn't shed. Not too sure, but y'all know how synthetic wigs are most of the time anyways. But this wig, I really do like it. Like, she is really cute. She's super cute. I am loving the ombre. I'm loving the color, like the ombre color overall. Just real cute. The length is nice. The texture, everything. So like I said about the middle part, I could have plucked her a little bit more. I might do that another time when I actually wear this wig. But for this review, I'm gonna leave it just like this. But she's definitely giving. She is giving, and she is cute. Definitely cute. I'm glad that they asked me to review this one because it is super cute. And I just love the way the front frame just, you know, falls and everything. Super cute. So I want to thank NAYASA for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the color, the length, the texture, all of that good stuff. How does it look on me? Would you rock this wig? All of that good stuff. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one.